Steel, which forms the backbone of the South Korean industry, steel logistics, is the core business of POSCO FLOW that provides steel product transportation services to domestic and international customers. Steelworks in Gwangyang and Pohang produce a wide range of steel products ranging from small coils weighing less than 1 ton all the way to heavyweight products exceeding 30 tons per unit. These products are delivered to domestic and international customers through various transportation methods such as land, sea, and rail. POSCO FLOW transports about 20 million tons of steel products annually, which accounts for around 40% of the total domestic steel transportation volume of 50 million tons per year. These products are transported through the largest domestic steel logistics network in South Korea. In terms of exports, the annual overseas steel transportation volume reaches about 13.7 million tons. This includes shipments to Europe, China, Japan, Southeast Asia, and other regions worldwide, accounting for around 38% of the total steel export volume of South Korea. POSCO FLOW is leading the steel logistics industry not only domestically but also internationally. Now, let's first take a look at domestic steel logistics. In domestic steel transportation, there are various transportation methods such as land, coastal maritime, and railway. Among them, land transportation takes the largest portion and uses transportation equipment including trucks and trailers to transport products. During this process, efforts are made to ensure the timely and safe transportation of steel products, including the prevention of accidents related to falling loads. The land transportation volume amounts about 15 million tons annually, and we provide services to transport this substantial volume to its final destination promptly and accurately. Coastal maritime transportation offers services to transport steel products from domestic ports along the coast to the requested ports of our customers. We take responsibility for the entire process of product inspection, loading, sailing, unloading, secondary transportation, and final delivery. The annual volume of coastal maritime transportation amounts about 5 million tons. Coastal maritime transportation has the advantage of being an environmentally friendly transportation compared to land transportation, as it can transport over 4,000 tons at once. Railway transportation involves using railway infrastructure, locomotives, and dedicated coil wagons to transport products. After storing the products at distribution centers, they are delivered to the final customers through secondary transportation. Railway transportation volume also exceeds about 1 million tons annually. POSCO FLOW plans to actively promote the expansion of railway transportation volume through the enhancement of railway infrastructure and diversification of routes to maximize the use of low-carbon method of transportation. Shall we take a look at the distribution of shipments by domestic regions? We transport steel products to various regions across the country with a focus on Gyeongbuk and Jeonnam. Let's move on to overseas steel logistics. The service areas of overseas steel logistics are as follows. We are responsible for the integrated operation and shipment of steel products from group affiliates for export, including vessel transportation. We establish annual shipping contracts at appropriate prices, considering mutual growth with logistics partner companies. Additionally, we promote 3PL services targeting small and medium-sized enterprises based on export consolidation platforms. We proactively discover new business opportunities utilizing overseas logistics hubs and take the lead in minimizing product damage risks. Furthermore, we operate overseas infrastructures that connect various parts of the world. POSCO FLOW utilizes overseas logistics infrastructure to provide fulfillment services. We have expanded our transportation service scope beyond local ports to include local unloading, warehousing, and local transportation services. Furthermore, We utilize PESDC logistics warehouses located in Slovenia and Belgium and expand our business areas to provide cost-effective local logistics services to domestic export companies. In addition, we provide connected delivery service for steel products originating from Korea, where they are unloaded in Southeast Asia and then shipped to other regions such as the America and Europe. POSCO FLOW possesses diverse logistics infrastructures optimized for the needs of our customers. We have appropriate equipment and facilities for each transportation process, including product release, storage, and shipment. Furthermore, to meet the needs of customers' warehouse shortage and cater to product storage and urgent demands, we operate distribution centers in key locations adjacent to our customers. Currently, we have a total of 5 distribution centers in operation, including Pyeongtaek, Masan, Mokpo Coastal Distribution Centers, and Uwang-Obong Railway Distribution Centers. Utilizing overseas infrastructure in 7 global regions and 135 ports, we have established an annual supply chain for export logistics amounting about 15 million tons and currently operate regular bulk cargo services to 84 ports worldwide. We plan to further expand our overseas logistics hubs in the future to take a leading role in building a global integrated logistics network for steel. POSCO FLOW is actively engaged in various activities to achieve environmental sustainability. Through cooperation between the public and private sectors, we have introduced onshore power supply systems at Pyeongtaek, Pohang, and Gwangyang ports. This system supplies power from land to ships during their stay, reducing airborne pollutants by 98% and saving an annual fuel cost of 100 million Korean won. POSCO FLOW is practicing carbon reduction through shifting land transportation to rail and sea transportation. Currently, POSCO FLOW is constructing the Taegum Base Railway infrastructure in Gwangyang, aiming to continually expand the volume of low-carbon transportation through rail transport. It is expected that by 2029, the volume of rail transportation will increase by 2.5 times. Sea transportation is also a low-carbon transportation method that emits less carbon per unit compared to land transportation. In 2022, POSCO FLOW successfully achieved carbon reduction by shifting approximately 720,000 tons of land transportation volume to sea transportation. Furthermore, we are also expecting a reduction effect of 19% in carbon dioxide emissions, as well as a 95% reduction in fine particulate matter and nitrogen oxides through the introduction of LNG vehicles. In the future, we plan to gradually introduce electric trucks and hydrogen trucks to achieve environmentally friendly logistics in land transportation. As part of POSCO FLOW's ongoing effort to cooperate with local communities and build sustainable environments, we created POSCO Doijang-1 Forest in Gwangyang to provide eco-friendly space for community members. We also conduct campaigns targeting Gwangyang citizens and partner company employees aiming to promote sustainable environmental practices. POSCO FLOW plans to establish a system by utilizing the latest smart technology to integrate the logistics operations of POSCO Group affiliates by October 2023. After the system establishment, we will be able to monitor the entire transportation process, from contract management with stakeholders, including POSCO Group affiliates, to response to customer requests. Furthermore, we will also manage CO2 emission information generated during the transportation process, aiming to practice ESG management. In the future, POSCO FLOW will achieve a phased transition to eco-friendly transportation methods for carbon neutrality and strive to lead the domestic steel logistics trends by realizing new values based on symbiotic relationships with local communities and partner companies. POSCO FLOW connects the world with the value of new logistics.